Prasanna B. Varale, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Honorable Justice S. Kumar, Chief Justice, High Court of Karnataka. Mr. K. SOMASHEKAR K, Learned Advocate General, Government of Karnataka. Mr. Vishal Raghu, HL, Chairman, and other members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Additional Advocate General, State Public Prosecutors and other government advocates, Mr. V. Subbareddy, President, Mr. T.G. Ravi, General Secretary and other office bearers of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, and Ms. Prabhamurthy, President, Ms. J. Hamsa, Secretary and other office bearers of the Indian Federation of Women Lawyers, Karnataka State, Learned Registrar General and other registrars and officers of the Registry of the High Court, Learned Judicial Officers present here, Learned Senior Advocates and other learned members of the Bar, ladies and gentlemen, Yellarigu Namaskara. My work is very minimized, but sometimes it requires maximum. Because the Constitution of India, it is in a dual capacity. It is a rigidity and also flexibility. Whenever it requires, there shall be some rigidity. Whenever it requires, there shall be some flexibility. That today's this unique function, it is a felicitation to His Lordship, who is adorned as a Judge of the Supreme Court of India, and another brother judge who is attaining superannuation as a Judge of the, and also acting Chief Justice, and Chief Justice for a short period in the High Court of Karnataka. It gives me immense pleasure to be the chief guest to this momentous occasion of felicitation to my Lord, Honorable Sri Justice Prasanna B. Varale, Judge, Supreme Court of India, and to our esteemed brother Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar, Chief Justice, High Court of Karnataka, on his superannuation. It is a proud moment for all of us that Justice Prasanna B. Varale, who was born on this soil and is the son-in-law of Kannada Nadu, has been appointed as the Judge of the Supreme Court of India on 25th of January 2024. The contribution of His Lordship to the legal fraternity is highly praiseworthy. The eminent jurist of this land, Sri Justice Dr. Shivraj V. Patil, in his autobiography, Time Spent, Distance Travelled, has put forth 10 commandments for a good judge. The first and foremost is that the judge should be a good human being. My Lord Justice Prasanna B. Varale embodies all the 10 commandments as outlined in the said book. His Lordship is known for his discipline, sincerity, honesty, who consistently upheld the oath of office. Modesty and humility are His Lordship's hallmark. The student with him remained active throughout His Lordship's professional career as a lawyer, as a lecturer, as a judge, as the Chief Justice, and now as a Judge of the highest court of our nation. Since the first day of assuming the office of Chief Justice of this High Court, His Lordship has garnered admiration from the bar and bench due to simplicity and sagacity. His Lordship, by his good deeds, won the hearts of the people of Karnataka and has consistently been at the forefront in addressing the issues of the common man. He has never lagged behind in taking suo cognizance of offences affecting the social fabric. His Lordship was very sensitive with respect to offences affecting human dignity and respect. Whenever there was an infringement of the dignity and honor of women, His Lordship was outspoken. His Lordship was very kind to the learned members of the bar. He used to encourage the young members of the bar. He was fondly called as Maryada Purushottama by one of our brother judge in an article published in a prominent Kannada daily. In my perception, this title is befitting to His Lordship. I wish the Almighty shower on him good health and energy to hold this new post as the Judge of the Supreme Court of India. His rich experience from the bench and the bar would be a great asset in the administration of justice. Coming to the contribution to Brother Justice P.S. Kumar to the legal fraternity, it is highly praiseworthy as we mark the culmination of his illustrious career and the completion of his superannuation. It is within a mixture of pride, gratitude, and a tinge of sadness that we reflect on his remarkable journey and enduring his legacy in the annals of our judiciary. His tenure as the Chief Justice, though short, has been ineffective. He has performed the duties of office of a Chief Justice with utmost zeal and enthusiasm. His Lordship has taken keen interest in the infrastructure development of the judiciary in the state and inaugurated numerous law courts and bar association buildings and has laid down foundations many such buildings. His Lordship deftly and soberly handled the critical situation and took in his stride the members of the bar and his sister and brother judges in taking collective decisions to solve the problems. As a captain of the team, His Lordship coordinated with sister and brother judges very cordially in conducting judicial administrative officers of this court and earned the love and affection of the sister and brother judges, as well as the learned members of the bar and the staffs. I am fortunate that I got this opportunity to speak a few words about both the eminent jurists. My Lordship, Honorable Justice Prasanna B. Prali is the son-in-law of the soil, and my Lord Justice P.S. Kumar, who is the son of the soil. I wish both and their respected family members good health and happiness in all the year ahead. I, and on my own behalf and on behalf of my esteemed sister and brother judges, as well as the entire legal fraternity, pray to the Almighty to grant both of you and your members a happy, healthy and prosperous life. But the Constitution of India, it consisting totally Article number 1 to Article 395. Out of that Article 395, 5 articles are more importantly to be looked into from all heart and soul in our mind. We are human beings. We shall be develop some human quality, human nobility, human value, human heart, humanhood and human touch. Because of that constitutional makers, it consisting 389 members. They will take the constitution to be contributing to this country. It will take 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. Article 14 is important. Article 32 is important. Article 226 is also important. Equally, Article 21 of the Constitution of India. And more importantly, Article 19 of the Constitution of India. Right to speak, right to assemble, right to movement, right to practice anywhere in this. Because we are human beings. We must be touch our heart. We must be touch our soul. Then only the Article 32, it is equivalent to the heart and soul. It was not the views, it was the views of the constitutional makers. In this unique occasion, I have to remembering all these important articles in this Constitution of India. And more importantly, we are here. Almost all the persons who are in this audience are the intellectuals. They are the intellectual property in the society. They must be uphold the constitutional views and constitutional goals, constitutional ethos. We must be keeping in mind only to the preamble of the Constitution of India. Otherwise, no meaning in it. Mere because so many articles are there, even Article 360 of the Constitution of India for amendment. Firstly, we have to amend our soul first, amend our heart first, because this body consisting so many organs. important organs are, that is the vital organs, that is the brain, lungs, heart, kidney and liver. Similarly, there are three organs in the Constitution of India: legislative body, executive body and the judicial body. These three organs and also five organs should be worked together, then only we have to protect the human rights. We are supposed to protect the statutory rights. We should have protect the fundamental rights. And equally, we should protect almost all rights. Even human rights, it is attached to from the fetus in the womb of a mother till even after breathe out, the soul is always there because it is an eternal. This message has been passed. Jai Hind and Jai Karnataka. Thank you so much.